Each year, the United States loses more than 1 million acres of arable farmland. For this reason, it is essential to make the most of the land we have. Farmers must find ways to increase yields and efficiency in their production to feed the growing population.
As populations around the world continue to increase, prime farmland is disappearing. This puts pressure on farmers worldwide to do more with less. Ultimately, DoubleL must provide its customers with products that help them harvest their crop faster, use their water more efficiently, produce more yield per acre of ground available to them.
Today, American Farmer is on location in Pasco, Washington with DoubleL. The company provides equipment and services to farmers to help increase efficiency and production in their day-to-day operations.
DoubleL is a farm equipment manufacturer that specializes in potato equipment. DoubleL builds the planters that put the seeds in the ground, the harvesters that pull the potatoes out of the ground, the conveying and handling lines which clean the potatoes and put the potatoes in storages or load them in trucks to go on to processors.
DoubleL does not just simply sell iron. They transform raw materials into economical and efficient products to meet the needs of their customers.
At a transload site, potatoes are brought from the field and conveyed across the cleaning machine where dirt and other debris are removed. Then those potatoes are loaded onto larger trucks where they are transported to the processing plant. One way that we've been able to maximize efficiencies is by the increased capacity of our harvesters. It allows the crop to grow as long as it possibly can. The harvesters come in and they harvest the crop as quickly as possible to get before the frost comes in.
What you see today is the 965 potato harvester. The modern advances with the return flow and improved throughput and product handling boasts a 20% gain in efficiency in loading trucks. Prior to that, a harvester would have to stop and then wait for another truck to come and then get loaded up again.
In 1975, Leland Klinger and Lynn Johnson of American Falls, Idaho, experimented with a more efficient way to unload their potatoes into their storage. From that experiment sprang a whole line of potato harvesting and handling equipment that has increased the efficiency of farmers around the world. Today, DoubleL provides its customers worldwide with the most efficient planting, harvesting, and handling equipment available. Solving these challenges is the driving force behind the design of our equipment.
Who better to design potato harvesting and handling equipment than a potato farmer himself? Since 1975, DoubleL has incorporated first-hand knowledge in the field of potato handling into their machine designs. They have committed themselves to manufacturing products that relate to not only the American farmer, but farmers around the globe.
Allied Potato supplies potatoes domestically to chip processors, and also we export potatoes to many processors overseas.
DoubleL, we use a lot of their even flow tubs to make our packing operation work really efficiently and smoothly. We have an even flow tub going into the shed which helps generate or manage the flow of the potatoes through our wash line. And then we have an even flow tub at the very end of our shed going onto this piler which loads trucks. And that manages the flow going out of the shed going into the trucks. So we have a constant flow through our shed. And that's extremely important for our operation to make sure we have a constant flow of potatoes, maintaining the quality of the product, as well as making sure that we get our trucks out on time to our customers.
It's really important to keep good quality as we send potatoes around the world, and DoubleL equipment really allows us to attain a quality that we need for our customers.
The people that stand behind the DoubleL products and equipment have been exceptional to work with. They alone, as a group, have helped us in a lot of ways. Part of what makes us efficient is staying in the field and operating and not breaking down and having problems. And whenever we do, they come right out to the farm, they bring their service trucks and their people who are really knowledgeable, and they help us right on the spot, and they get us going in just a matter of a couple of minutes. They do a really good job.
DoubleL takes the time to understand the individual needs of their customers and the collective needs of the community as it becomes more important to use resources more efficiently.
We see DoubleL's future as taking the things that have been learned in American agriculture to other areas of the world to help them to be able to improve their production, improve their efficiency, and ultimately to produce enough food to feed the growing population of the world.
DoubleL, farm equipment designed for farmers, by farmers. For more information on DoubleL, please visit www.doublelglobal.com.